Imagine a plane that costs more than $3 billion to build. A plane equipped with a medical suite that can function as an operating room, and a pair of food preparation galleys that can feed 100 people at a time. This isn't a flight of fancy, this is Air Force One, the flying White House. Air Force One, the official air traffic control call sign for the aircraft carrying the President of the United States, has been a symbol of American power and diplomacy for over 60 years. It's not a specific plane, it's a designation given to any plane on which the President is traveling. Interestingly, the call sign Air Force One came into existence in 1953, after an incident where a commercial flight with the same call sign as the President's plane entered the same airspace. Since then, Air Force One has become a symbol of the American presidency and its power. The current iteration of Air Force One, a modified Boeing 747-200B series aircraft, has over 4,000 square feet of floor space on 3 levels. This includes a suite for the President that features a large office, a bathroom, and a conference room. Air Force One also boasts a medical suite that can function as an operating room, and a doctor is permanently on board. The plane's 2 food preparation galleys can feed 100 people at a time. It can also be refueled in midair, allowing it to stay aloft for days in the case of an emergency. And let's not forget about the cost. The latest models of Air Force One, 2 Boeing 747-80s, are estimated to cost more than $3 billion. This includes the cost of the planes themselves, as well as the modifications for security and communication equipment. Air Force One also carries a fleet of up to 20 vehicles in its cargo bay, including the President's limousine and Secret Service vehicles. In terms of speed, Air Force One can reach a top speed of 650 miles per hour and has a maximum distance of nearly 8,000 miles. That's more than enough to fly from Washington, D.C. to Beijing, China, without stopping. In sum, Air Force One is not just a mode of transport for the President, it's a symbol of American power and prestige. From its call sign that was born out of a mid-air mix-up in 1953, to its ability to feed 100 people at a time and perform medical surgeries in flight, Air Force One is truly a marvel of modern aviation. And with a price tag of over $3 billion, it's easily the most expensive passenger plane in the world. Whether it's carrying the President on diplomatic missions, serving as a floating command center, or just standing as a symbol of the United States, Air Force One continues to be a testament to American ingenuity, power, and prestige.